Our nature video out of Tennessee will be praying to Psalms 112 out of the Dewey Rings version of the Bible. Praise the Lord, ye children, praise ye the name of the Lord. Blessed be the name of the Lord from henceforth, now and forever. From the rising of the sun unto the going down of the same, the name of the Lord is worthy of praise. The Lord is high above all nations, and his glory above the heavens. Who is as the Lord our God, who dwelleth on high, and looketh down on the low things in heaven and in earth, raising up the needy from the earth, and lifting up the poor out of the dunghill, that he may place him with princes and the princes of his people, who maketh a barren woman to dwell in a house, and joyful mother of children.